That sinking feeling when a nail finds your tire on a 2-lane highway with 0 signal is a special kind of dread. The kind that makes every mile afterward feel longer than it should. The moment your tools slide across the bed on every turn, scratching things you actually care about, and rattling loud enough to drive you crazy. Truck ownership comes with 100 small headaches like these, and 2026's smartest gadgets exist to fix exactly those problems. 15 picks, counting down from useful to essential. Number 15. Flat Tire Emergency Repair Kit. No sound kills a road trip faster than that soft, sinking hiss under the truck, the one that means you're not getting anywhere fast. This kit turns that panic into a quick pit stop instead of a tow call. Plug it into your 12-volt socket, connect the hose, and it seals most punctures in under 10 minutes. No jack, no wrench, no roadside wrestling match in the dark. The sealant is non-toxic and sensor-safe, so it won't mess with your TPMS or leave a mess for the shop later. It slides under a seat and stays forgotten until you need it most, usually on a rainy night, with nothing else in reach and no signal to call for help. Number 14. Rough Country Manual Retractable Bed Step. Ever climbed into a lifted bed with your hands full of lumber and nothing to grab onto but the tailgate? This retractable aluminum step deploys with one foot, tucks away when idle, and stays available even while towing, unlike most hitch-mounted steps that become useless the moment a trailer's hooked up. The surface has a grippy, textured finish that holds even in wet boots or icy mornings. Bolt-on install, corrosion-resistant finish that shrugs off road salt season after season. The kind of upgrade you forget about until your knee thanks you for it. Number 13. WeatherTech AlloyCover. Some tonneau covers block your rear view the second you haul anything tall, which defeats half the point of owning one. The AlloyCover folds nearly flat against the cab instead of stacking upward, keeping sightlines clear even with bulky cargo behind you. The matte black aluminum panels have a solid, reassuring heft when you close them, and the weather sealing holds up through a real downpour, not just drizzle. It locks with the tailgate, installs fast enough for an afternoon project, and looks factory clean from every angle. Number 12. Nextbase 622 GW-Cam. You can't unsee what happens on the road, and a clear, trustworthy recording changes everything when something goes sideways. The 622 GW shoots genuine 4K up front, pairs with a rear camera, and stays smooth over potholes thanks to built-in digital stabilization. A polarizing filter cuts glare when the sun sits at a brutal angle, and Wi-Fi plus Alexa control mean you're not fumbling for buttons mid-drive. Parking mode keeps watching while you're inside grabbing coffee, capturing impacts and motion automatically. The mount sits low and tidy behind the mirror, and it runs off a hardwire kit or plug-in adapter depending on your setup. Real insurance you'll actually enjoy using. Number 11. Putco Tailgate MOLLE Panel. Your tailgate sits flat and empty through every haul, doing absolutely nothing for you. This panel turns that dead space into an organized workstation for tools or first aid supplies without stealing an inch of bed space. Heavy-duty aluminum, powder-coated finish, genuinely weather-resistant. The MOLLE webbing lets you customize the layout however a given job demands, swapping pouches in and out as needed. Vehicle-specific mounting means it fits tight and quiet, not aftermarket sloppy or rattling on rough roads. Number 10. RealTruck EVOm MRC Retractable Tonneau Cover. If you're hauling tools worth more than your paycheck, a flimsy soft cover just isn't cutting it anymore. The EVOm retracts into a canister that eats noticeably less bed space than most competitors, while locking in multiple positions for partial or full access. Sealed bearings keep the roll smooth and almost satisfying to operate, and integrated drainage stops rainwater from pooling right on top of your gear. Heavy-duty and low-profile, it's noticeably harder to break into than the average soft cover, which matters more than people admit until the morning it counts. Number 9. Putco Luminix LED Grille Emblem. Nobody wants a bulky light bar bolted to their grille just to squeeze out a little extra visibility. The Luminix swaps your factory badge for an illuminated version that keeps the OEM look intact, while quietly brightening the front end at dusk or on foggy mornings. Weatherproof electronics, genuinely plug and play, more punch than something this understated has any right to put out. An upgrade that changes function without changing how the truck looks, right up until the moment it matters most. Number 8. Husky Liners. GearBox Under Seat Storage. There's an empty compartment under your rear seat collecting dust and old receipts right now. GearBox molds itself to that exact space, creating hidden storage for tools, tow straps, and jumper cables that would otherwise roll loose across the floor every time you brake hard. Heavy-duty thermoplastic construction, weather-resistant, and it pops out easily whenever it needs a quick clean. Storage you already own, sitting unused, finally put to work exactly where it belongs. Number 7. WeatherTech ImpactLiner Truck Bed Liner. Drop a wrench on bare metal, and you'll understand instantly why liners exist in the first place. The ImpactLiner absorbs those hits instead of transferring every clang straight through the floor, and its slip-resistant surface keeps cargo from sliding around on hard turns or sudden stops. Laser measured for an exact fit, no drilling required, made in the USA from start to finish. Chemical resistant too, so oil spills and road salt don't stand a chance of eating through it over time. Number 6. Putco YellowJacket Perimeter Strobe. Lightheads ever needed real visibility on a roadside stop without lighting up like a parade float? These flush-mount lightheads pack dual-color amber and white LEDs into a surprisingly compact housing that tucks into bumpers or grille slats without adding bulk. Multiple flash patterns let you dial in exactly the attention you need, and the weatherproof build keeps firing reliably through rain or dust. Built for work trucks that genuinely need to be seen on a dark shoulder, not decorated for show. Number 5. Putco Boss Open Frame Cab Rack. Traditional headache racks just sit there behind the cab. One job, zero flexibility. The Boss rack breaks that mold entirely. Multiple tie-down points and integrated MOLLE mounting let it double as a real platform for traction boards, fuel packs, or spare lighting rigs. Lightweight aluminum keeps the profile low, without sacrificing strength when it's fully loaded up for a trip. Less a rack, more a foundation that keeps expanding right alongside your setup. Number 4. ARB Base Rack. Most roof racks box you in with side rails dictating exactly where every piece of cargo has to sit. ARB ditched that limitation entirely. No rails means cargo mounts almost anywhere across the surface, keeping the whole rack lighter and lower profile than typical expedition setups. Off-road ready, compatible with rooftop tents for anyone chasing the overlanding life, and built around a modular accessory ecosystem that keeps growing year after year. Flexibility without the bulk. Exactly what serious off-road builds have been missing. Number 3. Decked Drawer System. Imagine your entire bed organized like a proper toolbox instead of a junk drawer on wheels. Decked's latest generation holds a 2,000-pound deck load with 200 pounds per drawer. Built from recycled high-density polyethylene, reinforced with steel hardware that isn't going anywhere soon. It fits under most tonneau covers, and it genuinely expands. D-boxes, cross-boxes, tool boxes, half-racks, cargo glides, without ever replacing the base drawer system underneath. Weather-resistant and genuinely modular, one of the most expandable storage platforms out there, built to grow with you over years, not just one season. Number 2. Putco Boss MOLLE Truck Bed Panels. Your bed walls are dead space right now, and most owners never think twice about it until they see this. Boss panels change that instantly, turning unused wall area into modular mounting real estate for recovery gear, tools, and first aid kits that would otherwise slide loose in a tote somewhere. Laser-cut aluminum, corrosion-resistant black powder coat, vehicle-specific fit that bolts on clean without extra drilling. Putco keeps releasing new compatible accessories too, so a setup that starts simple keeps getting more useful over time. Number 1. RealTruck Back Revolver X4TS. Here's the number 1 pick on this list, and it earns the spot without much argument. Most hard covers fold upward and steal your rear view the moment you haul anything tall, which defeats half the point of running a hardcover to begin with. The Revolver X 4TS rolls instead. Compact matte black slats bundling neatly near the cab, so sightlines stay clear no matter what's stacked behind you. Automatic locking positions give full or partial access on demand, and the weather sealing keeps everything underneath bone dry through the worst storms. Full bed access, real theft deterrence, and a silhouette built for how modern trucks actually get used day to day. It's the cover that makes every other option on this list feel like a compromise you're settling for.